Hello and welcome to another quick update about MATIC. In line with my expectation from yesterday, we did drop further into the yellow target area. So if you remember from my last few videos, I did give you this target area up here for the next move up after we hit the target area down here. Gave you this target area up there. We did come into it. Quite a bit, not too much though. But yeah, we did touch it and came into it a little bit. Didn't quite get to the 260 level. However, yeah, we reached it and now we are on our way down. I did give you for that purpose the next target area, and you can see that for a few days, I think, we were struggling to get into the target area. Well, we did anyway. We did get into the target area already, but because we saw lower highs here and because we were retesting this target area so often, I did tell you in my update video yesterday that I would expect us to come into the target area a little bit further, and I get into that in a little bit more detail. So in the last few updates I told you that MATIC is obviously very bullish in contrast to many other cryptos currently in the crypto market. We were coming up here in a what I think is a wave 3 within a wave 3 within a larger wave 3. Within that, what you have, I think, is probably various 1-2 setups here, right? And if you have that 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, if this last 1-2 setup plays out, that will be very, very bullish. Normally that speaks for an extension of the current wave, of the current trend. But to make that work, this 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, we are not allowed to go below the beginning of that wave. So basically not below 145. That is that line here in red. We are not allowed to drop below that. If we drop below that, then this setup is done. Yeah, that bullish setup, and I would expect lower prices in this yellow target area here. Need to move that down a little bit. So this will take us down further then, and possibly even lower prices that I haven't got on the chart yet. But that would be then primarily the next target area that we already came into. No, I shouldn't move that way. Let me just. So, at the moment though, in line with my expectation, we come into this first target area again, right? Key levels here to watch out for is the 194 level. That's the 0.618 FIB level. I personally have a buy order set just above this level with a low percentage, because chances are we come down one more FIB level at least. Yeah. But with a low amount, I've got one buy order set here, because over the long run, I believe in MATIC's performance. That will be the first one where we will find resistance, support. And if we lose that level, 194, then we are going to see the next one here, which is at 178, which is the 0.786 FIB level. Okay, so then there's a slight chance we might even drop lower to the 0.887 at 166. And if we then drop once more lower, here to that FIB level at 154, yeah, then the next support level, if we lose that, is 145. And I think if we lose that, which is that previous low here, then we're going to get into this target area anyway. But then also that 1-2 setup scenario is done. And the lower we go, then I will talk about a more bearish scenario that will be more in line with the remaining crypto market and Bitcoin's drop. But at the moment, MATIC is looking really bullish still. Yeah, even though we're going down here, as long as the ideal turnaround for this would be here in this yellow target area. So watch that closely, between 178 and $2.07. So again, we came into target area, next target area reached. We now need to see how does the price react to the FIB levels in this target area. What makes me quite confident about this target area is that we have a 20-day moving average in here that will provide support at around 196. And the 50-day moving average here in blue, which will provide additional support at 185. So we've got some very important support levels here. And if they make MATIC turn around, that will be a really bullish scenario, where I would then expect us to come much deeper into this yellow target area up here, with key levels between 252 or 253 and yeah, 340, I think, in a major move to the upside. So that's looking really good at the moment for MATIC. Everything going according to plan at the moment. But if we lose this key level here at 176, at that point I will talk about the possible alternative bearish scenario. But as I said, if we lose that, we've got some more support levels down here, but at the point of 145, this bullish scenario gets completely invalidated. And there's the target area of the previous move here. But I think if we lose the 145, we're going to go possibly even lower, and we might even think about prices below $1, and that would then be in line with the idea that Bitcoin goes down much further. But you know, below $1 I think is fairly unlikely, to be honest. So I still think that would be the expectation to turn around primarily in this target area. That would be very, very bullish for MATIC, and then we can see much higher prices. That'd be great. Let me know what you think, where we are going to turn around. Certainly I did set some buy orders now for MATIC because we are on our way down, and I want to have a hedge, you know, sort of in case we're turning around here, because I believe in the long-term performance of MATIC anyway. So yeah, that's the update on MATIC. Everything according to plan at the moment, going into the target area. And because we did go in now, unless we very, very shortly here find a way out again, we're going to come down to the next fib level. That's my expectation here at 194. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.